Hey everybody, this is Don over at Johnny's Used Cars, voted the best place to buy a car in Okinawa by the military community of Okinawa for the second consecutive year. That's right, we won last year in 2023, and we won again this year in 2024 for the repeat. Stop by, we'll show you why, like we have many others. Today I'm showing this 2010 Suzuki Splash that just came in. It's got 77,000 kilometers on it, which is about 48,000 miles. Before I get started, I'd like to let you know that we do have on-the-lot discounts. So the price you're seeing on the website right now will not be the final price when you come on the lot. Also, if you're arriving at Okinawa soon, or you just arrived, please make sure you stop by Johnny's Used Cars as soon as you can and have a look around. Even before you get yourself a driver's license, there are benefits of doing it that way. So with that, let's have a look around. I'll show you the features inside. But first, I'd like to ask you to please watch the video until the end. I do go over a lot of information in my videos, going to answer a lot of your questions. Things like the JCI, the warranty, the road tax. I cover all that and more, so please bear with me till the end. You have all the answers. If not, please contact me or stop on by. The Suzuki Splash is a 5-passenger vehicle in the 500 series category, so the mid-size category. Road tax per year is going to be 7,500 yen, which is about $50 right now with the current exchange rate. Road tax is due every April-May time frame. So we're going to take care of the 2024 road tax for you. You won't have to worry about that till next April or May. Now, you do have two ways to pay for this. First one being US dollars cash out rate, which could get you a larger discount. Or take advantage of 0% financing for 24 months with zero down. Yes, we don't have a down payment requirement, but if you want to put something down or reduce our overall monthly payment, you can. A lot of our customers do like $500 to $1,000. Some do have, some do more. Up to you. Before we go inside, I always like showing you the rain guards. Rain guards will allow you to roll your windows down a little bit this way if it rains. It's not going to get wet inside. More important feature benefit is it's going to be that cross ventilation, get that extremely hot air out as I'm feeling right now. And always get yourself a windshield visor. You got to keep this dash as cool as possible. So in addition to that, you may consider buying a dash cover, or if you want to keep it simple, just get a larger size bath towel or a beach towel, lighter in color, and put that over the dash. So with that, let's jump on in. Like I said, it's just coming in, but it's actually pretty dirty, or pretty dirty. It's actually pretty clean. Okay, let's get this thing started. Just this, okay. 77,425 on the odometer. I'll lower this just a little bit. Let's show you a couple of warning lights. Now that one's not on, so hold on a second. I'm gonna look at this one right here. Let me see when I turn that on. All right, I'm not sure of the original color, but I think it's that's gonna be light blue. That's your temperature one. So I think it's light blue when the engine is cool and it's gonna remain on. That's normal. Because it's already warmed up, somebody actually just looked at this vehicle a little while ago. So the engine's already warmed up. So it's gonna go away, and then you saw it, it's gonna be red if it's overheating. Be on the lookout for that. Let's turn off this. Oops. Why it's not on the AFN, I have no idea. Sorry, Troy. Okay, and then you do have your seatbelt one. Make sure you wear your seatbelts. They do get tickets on and off base. And that one over there is your emergency brake. So this one's a hand brake. So when you disengage, it goes away. Engage, it comes right back on. Other than that, it's very simple, straightforward, straight ahead instrument cluster. Anything pops up on the dash while you're driving, especially if it's red, please pull over immediately, find out what it is, take the necessary action. Off to the left here, and that's just your tack. Yeah, in the middle you have a little bit of storage on top of the dash. Then you have your radio. This one does not have a rear camera. Air conditioning controls, power outlet, this funky cup holder, your shifter, cup holder down here, a little space for storage, and then you have your hand brake. It looks like it has heated seats and another compartment down here for storage or cup holder. Continue to the left, you have your glove box. This guy hiding out in there, that's your ETC reader. That's your electronic toll collector. This works like Easy Pass in the States if you're able to get the card for it for the expressway, okay? And then a little bit of space and cup holder on each door panel. That is your passenger space over there. You got your red road flare hanging out over there. Then this is the space I have on my side. The seat is all the way back, all the way down. I am 5'11", as everybody loves knowing. I'm pretty cool right here. In emergency, maybe slide it up an inch and still be comfortable driving. All right, let's go eye level. That's my eye level there. Really can't see anything past the windshield wipers like on most vehicles. Now, normally at the time I showed an auction sheet showing you that this is a non-accident vehicle from mainland Japan. Please keep that in mind. Graded non-accident from the auctions up in mainland. Well, these other dealers out here can't tell you that on all their cars. We can for each one. But because it just came in, I keep those inside the office until it's been detailed. Once detailed, I'm going to put it up here on the sun visor on the driver's side so you can see that for yourself. We'll help you decipher it if need be. And there are dealers out here that'll try to discredit the auction sheet. Stop by, we'll explain why. All right, so let's show you a couple other things before we go to the back seat. And I did forget there's a big shelf here for whatever you need that for. So off to the right here, you have two controls. This is going to control the fog lights. Then this one's going to control the angle of your headlights. So maybe it's a foggy morning, want to see the street a little better, that's where you're going to do it. And then down here you have your hood release. Then please don't forget on the floor here you have your gas cover release. And then on the door panel you have your mirror, window, and door lock controls all right here. All right, so let's turn this off and let's head to the back. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. All right, so the seat all the way back, all the way down, I'm pretty much flush with it from the back seat to my knees. Nothing as far as storage on the back of the driver's seat, but you have pocket storage on the back of the passenger seat. As always, be careful what you put in there. You don't want to rip it on each side. And then nothing as far as storage on the door panels or center console or armrest or like that. All right. Come back here. So here's your rear space. You have a privacy cover that can come out if you need to haul stuff. And you can put these seats down just by pushing that forward on each side. The seat's going to have to go forward a little bit, and then that'll lay down flat. You'll have this whole space open. All right, let's go to the front here, show you the engine compartment. I'm going to wrap this video up. So there you have it. It's a 1.2 liter engine, which will be cleaned during the detailing process. So you have it, 2010 Suzuki Splash. 77,000 kilometers on it, which again, about 48,000 miles. Military price is down at $4,800. With an additional military discount, we'll get it down to $4,600. Again, while you're here, please ask the information guy about on-the-lot discounts, and you will get a lower price on this. For now, the $4,600 will include a 2-year JCI, the 1-year bumper-to-bumper full warranty, the 2024 road tax, and the 10% sales tax is already included. Only thing on top will be the American insurance requirement. Whether you're going liability or full coverage, which is totally up to you, and we can assist you with that here. Touching on these warranties real quick, yes, there are 2-year warranties out here. However, they're not the best things since sliced bread, so don't be fooled by them. Stop by, we'll explain why. But we do encourage you to shop around, go to the dealers, see what they have, check out the condition, mileage, and pricing of their vehicles, then stop by Johnny's Used Cars, let us show what we have, what our program's all about, and how we can assist you. We are definitely making a difference out here because we are different. One of the many reasons why we did win the Sergeant Stripes, Best Pacific Magazine's Best Place to Buy a Car in Okinawa Award for the 2nd consecutive year. Again, stop by, we'll show you why. Don't forget 2 ways to pay for it. US dollars cash outright, or take advantage of 0% financing for 24 months. Either way, we're good to go. Please like and subscribe, and as always, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Hope to see you soon.